bloated belly haven't gone in days. Before you rush to a laxative, your kitchen may already have the cure. These natural, gut-loving foods can get things moving fast. Stay with me. Hi friends, today we re-diving into the world of what happens when things get a little too backed up downstairs. We'll uncover the top 6 foods that will have you running to the bathroom in no time. Let's get started. What is constipation? We all need to go no, too, but sometimes things don't move smoothly through our guts. Constipation happens when your bowel movements are not regular, or when you have a hard time passing them. It can be a real pain, both physically and emotionally. But don't worry, we're here to help you get things moving again. Main causes of constipation. Before we jump into our top foods, it's important to understand why constipation happens. It could be because you're not eating enough fiber, not drinking enough water, or maybe you're just not moving around enough. Certain medications can also cause constipation, as well as ignoring the call of nature when you feel like going. And sometimes it can even be a sign of something more serious going on in your gut. Top gut-friendly foods to relieve constipation. Now let's dive into the good stuff, the foods that can help get things moving again. Remember, everyone's body is different, so what works for one person might not work for another. But these are some of the most common foods that have been shown to help relieve constipation. No. 1. Beans and lentils. Beans and lentils are fantastic sources of both fiber and protein, which makes them a great choice for anyone dealing with constipation. They contain soluble fiber, which absorbs water and adds bulk to your stool, helping it move through your digestive system more easily. Plus, they're rich in prebiotics, which feed the friendly bacteria in your gut and keep things running smoothly. Number 2. Whole grains. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats are another excellent source of fiber. Unlike refined grains, whole grains contain the bran, germ, and endosperm, which means they're packed with nutrients and fiber. This fiber helps add bulk to your stool and keeps things moving through your digestive system. So if you're feeling backed up, consider swapping white rice for brown rice or adding some oatmeal to your breakfast. No. 3. Fruits and vegetables. Let's talk about fruits and veggies. They're your go-to for constipation relief. Think juicy water-rich fruits like watermelon and cucumbers. These are your best bets for quick relief. Their high water content helps soften the stool and make things down under get moving. Plus, many fruits and veggies are also rich in fiber, which helps keep things running smoothly. But watch out for some veggies like sweet potatoes and corn. They might not have the same effect. So stick to the watery ones for now. No. 4. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are great for your gut health because they're full of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. These tiny powerhouses can help move things along in your digestive system and keep you regular. But it's important to eat them in moderation since they also contain a lot of calories. A small handful of nuts or seeds can make a big difference without packing on the pounds. Number 5. Yogurt. Yogurt is not only delicious, but it's also a great source of calcium, protein, and probiotics. Probiotics are live bacteria that are beneficial for your gut health. They help keep your digestive system in balance and improve overall gut function. Look for yogurts that list live and active cultures on the ingredient list to ensure you're getting these helpful bacteria. A little bit of yogurt each day can make a big difference when you're constipated. Number 6. Water. Sometimes the simplest solution is the best. Drinking plenty of water is essential for keeping things moving through your digestive system. Water helps to keep your stool soft and prevents it from becoming too hard and dry. It also helps to add bulk to your stool, which makes it easier to pass. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to stay hydrated and keep your bowels regular. Pro tip: if you're still struggling to get things moving, try these bonus home remedies. Warm water with lemon juice, herbal teas like peppermint or ginger, or a cup of coffee can help stimulate your bowel movements. You can also try over-the-counter remedies like fiber supplements or stool softeners. But remember, It's always best to talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement. What to avoid during constipation. Now that you know which foods can help relieve constipation, it's also important to be aware of the foods that can make things worse. Dairy products, including milk and cheese, can be difficult to digest and may worsen your constipation. Greasy and fried foods can also slow down your bowel movements and make things worse. And don't forget about the drinks. Sugary beverages and caffeine can dehydrate you and make your stool harder and more difficult to pass. Staying away from these foods while you're constipated can help you get things moving again more quickly. Simple lifestyle tips. While diet plays a crucial role in relieving constipation, there are also some simple lifestyle tips that can make a big difference. Regular exercise can help stimulate your bowel movements and keep things moving through your digestive system. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Another tip is to listen to your body's cues and don't ignore the urge to go when you feel like it. Establishing a regular toilet routine can also be helpful. Try to go at the same time each day, such as after breakfast or dinner, to help your body establish a rhythm. When to see a doctor. Most of the time, constipation can be relieved by making changes to your diet and lifestyle. However, there are certain situations where you should see a doctor. If you've tried everything and nothing seems to work, it's time to call the cavalry. You should also see a doctor if you experience severe abdominal pain, blood in the stool, or if you haven't had a bowel movement for an extended period of time. Don't suffer in silence. Your gut will thank you for seeking help. Remind viewers that nature works, but consistency is key. It's important to note that everyone's digestive system is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's all about finding the right combination of foods, lifestyle habits, and patience to keep things running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and happy.